Hey guys, so this is like the I think 9th, whatever, something like that. So this is kind of a cool aisle here. Got a lot of gangster behavior. 58 Corvette. Cool U.S. Navy staff car. Nice. Cool. Nice. Nice. Old school. Nice. Nice. It's too bad there's a bunch of music around here. Nice. It's a nice vehicle, huh?
Yeah.
Very nice. Nice Ford. This is a nice vehicle right here. I like this one. It's nice. Very, very nice. 1936. All steel. Nice. Yep. Yep. Have a gangster car. Nice. Yep, 1983. Nice. Nice. Love it. I don't know how you get in that bad boy. Let's go over here. Lots of people here today. Let the camera cool down a little bit. Get in some videos. Little wagon. Well, let's walk back away from the music because the music's getting kind of loud, so we're going to try to avoid that behavior. This is kind of a cool vehicle. Nice. Here's the one you saw before, living large. We'll walk away from the music. It's unfortunate. Go, go. Here's one over here. Here's one over here. It's a 1919 Oldsmobile Model T. Classic. Oh my goodness. It's classic. Go on a parade in that bad boy. Kind of a nice vehicle right here too as well. Yeah, a little wild the music to go over there. It's too bad. But what are you gonna do, man? Classic, get at that engine. Nice. SS. Nice. Needs a little wash. Another truck. Nice. 53. Talking to a guy who was looking for a $20,000 to spend on old vehicle. It's like, well, good luck. International. Oh yeah, this bad boy.
That's a cool car. Number one of it.
Nice. That's a nice one. Corvair. Safe on at any speed. Love that. Trunk in the front. Yeah, that's classic. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Love these trucks. Very nice.
Yeah.
For sale, 2,700.
He's gonna buy this thing.
507-430-7118. That's nice. Nice. 4-door.
Yeah. Yours got a nice spark when you step it.
Nice. Nice. That's kind of interesting. Oh my God. I like that one. Cool. Souped up, ready to rock and roll. Bulldog Saloon, New Islands. Mopar. Heck yeah. The old two-door.
Yeah, I'll just get in
Oh, you Lord, this one's nice. Very nice. Impala. Let me guess. 63? I don't know. Let's see if I'm right. 62. Love all the Impalas. That's a nice vehicle. Barracuda. Nice. '64 Barracuda. Nice. Nice convertible. Oh my goodness. It's a big dog. That used to be a video arcade years ago. Fairline, their version of the Impala. So, a nice.
What are you doing?
I said, Greg, how are you? Oh, good. Oh, Lord. What's going on?
It's nice. Yeah, that's a beautiful one. Look at that bad boy. Oh my goodness. But anyways, we're gonna end it right here. Because this is my favorite. That Fairline, that 1964 Ford Fairline is classic. Love that. You saw the last video. It's just cool. But anyways, let's end it right here. 550.